founder and CEO of Beast Trading Software. Guys, it's been quite a long time, and I've been wanting to record a video for you for quite a while. And I actually have something very different for you today. I don't have a weekly update. I'm not going to show you some previous trades. I am intending on making one of those videos pretty soon, but today I actually have something quite different to show you, and that is using the Beast Super Signal Indicator successfully for the FTMO challenge. Now, I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with the FTMO challenge. It's basically a prop trading firm where you prove your trading skills, and then once you qualify, they do allocate you their capital to trade, and you get a percentage of the profits. FTMO has proven to be one of the most popular, most famous prop trading firms that's around at the moment. And I actually had a few clients contact me in the recent weeks asking me if the Beast Super Signal Indicator, if our software is suitable, or if it can be used to be trading the FTMO challenge. And I actually hadn't thought of it, and I thought, well, what better way to test it than to actually do it myself? So I signed up for an FTMO challenge. I traded this the last couple of weeks, and I've passed the first round, and I'm going to go into the account details and show you about it, and actually to show you how you can use the Beast Super Signal successfully to trade the FTMO challenge, and to more importantly, how to pass the challenge. Now, before I move forward, I'd please like to ask you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. Also, please do like this video, and if you do find it interesting, I welcome you to please share it with anybody you know. So please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate all the support that you guys give us. And yeah, let's get started. So here I'm going to go straight into the details. Go down over here. The minimum trading days is 10 days, and I did pass the 10-day requirement. The max daily loss is $5,000, so you can't lose more than $5,000 in one day. My max loss was less than half of that, which is actually pretty good. So my max drawdown was basically less than 2.5%, which is fantastic. Max daily loss, not even close to the limit of 10,000. And then of course the profit target of 10% is $10,000. I say it because this is a $100,000 account. The target to pass the challenge is 10% of 100,000. Here we go. You can see I started this on the 12th of January. So just after the start of the new year, after the holiday period had ended, I did sign up for this challenge to get started, and finishing on the 10th of, well, it says the end of 10th of February, but I've actually finished it today on the 2nd of February. All right, now going down into the statistics where you can actually see more of the details. Average profit 729, average loss 615. That actually equates to a positive risk-reward ratio. And for those of you who are not familiar with the indicator, we do use a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, which you obviously can do a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3. It's up to you, but most of the time we trade with a 1-to-1. So you will find that this risk-reward ratio is very close to 1-to-1, basically almost identical 1-to-1. On some trades, I've traded quite high lots, some lots different. I was trading using a risk percentage calculation, so obviously taking into account the size of the stop loss and the size of the take profit. The indicator will then calculate the size of the lots. So the lots you'll actually see can vary quite frequently. Average win rate 78%. This goes in line with what I do mention to everybody all the time. Our indicator average is 70%. You know, sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower. It really depends on the current market conditions. It depends on what pairs you're trading. It depends on the settings you're using. So we normally say it averages out around 70%. And as you can see, looking at the win rate, we are in line with that average success rate. Actually, we are above it, closer to 80%, which is really, really amazing. And if you look at the profit factor, 4.26, this is just an amazing profit factor. For those of you who are familiar with profit factor, 4.26 is a very good profit factor. Looking into the trades into the day, you can actually see most days have actually been quite successful. To be honest, I was taking this challenge quite slow. I was aware of the minimum 10 days. I was normally aiming for 1 or 2 positions a day. I wasn't really trying to over leverage or over risk myself. I wasn't generally trading higher than 2% risk per trade. I was normally averaging between 1 to 2% to trade. I was really trying to keep the risk down, which is evidence when you do look at these max daily loss statistics, you can see that I did not over leverage or over risk my account. I think the best way to when you want to try and achieve this challenge is don't try and shoot for the big ones, and take your time. There's no rush. Minimum 10 days is more than enough time. If you just do one trade a day at 1% and aim for 1%, in 10 days you will achieve the target. So you literally risk 1% per day, and 10 days you achieve the challenge and you can pass the challenge successfully. So that's pretty much what I was aiming for. I was using signals generated from the B Super Signal Indicator. To be honest, I wasn't trading every signal. I would get some signals and I would look at them and I would have a look at the overall general chart and price action, and then I would just decide to skip that one. I wasn't trading every single signal blindly. I was kind of picking the ones which I felt were the best, but I was using the indicator for all of the trades that I used in this challenge. Now going further down, you can see here more statistics of the trades which I've taken. As you can see, I used a stop loss and take profit on all the orders, and you can see the lot sizes here. Obviously they vary, like I said, because it is based on the stop loss and I use a set risk percentage. Looking down at the open hours, not really much you can take away here. I did seem to have more sell signals than buys through the challenge. These are the pairs that I traded on mostly. Only 5 pairs. To be honest, I don't think you really need to trade everything on the market to be successful. You just need a few good pairs, focus on them, stick to them, and you can trade successfully with them. As for me, I kind of stuck to the major pairs. I did trade also GBP, JPY, but I kind of stuck to the major pairs. As you can see, nothing exotic, nothing crazy, no trades on gold or Bitcoin or anything like that, no indices, just the general major currencies, and it was more than enough to pass this challenge successfully. So I just passed the challenge now. I am waiting for them to contact me with a verification account. I will be doing the verification account, and then once that passes, I will be making another video to go through the verification stage of the challenge using the indicator, so you guys can then see the results. That's it, guys. I really just wanted to show you how it is possible to use our software to trade the FTMO challenge successfully. That being said, there are quite a few other prop trading firms around, so I'm sure you can use our indicator on all those other prop firms. I'm not very familiar with their rules and their limits and stuff, but I'm sure if you use the indicator in the right way, you can certainly use it with other prop trading firms. But I do know for certain that you can use the B Super Signal with FTMO successfully. Guys, I hope this helps. I hope you found value in this. If you'd like more information on the B Super Signal Indicator, please hit the link. Go visit our website. You can also check us out on MQL5. We are listed there. We are one of the top-rated best-selling indicators on MQL5. We have a perfect 5-star rating. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. You can send us an email. You can also contact us on Facebook and Instagram. Give us a follow there as well if you like. We do appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for watching. Speak to you later. Cheers. Goodbye.